This is a tutorial on how to deep condition your hair using Afrobynature Gooseberry Vital Restore Deep Conditioning Mask. I just dyed my hair, as you can see, and I'm going to use this to avoid breakage of my hair. I'm going to section my hair into 4 places and apply the product from the root of my hair to the tip of my hair. Make sure that it touches all the edges, and I'm going to detangle using my hand and my detangling brush, and I'm going to twist back. I'm going to do the same for the other sections of my hair to make sure that it gets to the scalp and also my edges. And I'm going to use my shower cap. This is my coil pattern after deep conditioning my hair. Amazing, guys. My hair feels very light, no shredding, and I'm going to use my Afrobynature leave-in conditioner just to give my hair a little bit of moisture. And switch. I've already twisted my hair. I'm just going to unravel the twist by using my coil maker and also my leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to use my Eco Styling gel, and I'm just going to massage the products into my hair and spray my hair, and just make sure that it gets into every twist. I'm spraying my hair to make it easy for my twist to unravel, and I'm just going to section them into smaller pieces to make my coils fuller. Mado, bang bang, as in see my coils. Hello babe, are you single? This is goals. And I'm done unraveling my coils. And this is it. It's just going to be bouncing and bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. Hot stuff. As in, it is possible for your natural hair to be mad like this. Hello get. These are different styles you can style your hair into. This is the back of my hair. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thank you.